Hi everyone, my name is Nicole and I'm a librarian at the Santa Fe Public Library. As some of you may have noticed, we recently upgraded our catalog, so things might look a little different. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to access your account, place a hold, and some other neat features for the new library website. Currently, the libraries are still closed to the public due to COVID-19. You can place holds for curbside pickup at all 3 locations. We offer curbside pickup on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays from 12 noon to 5:30 p.m. So how do we do it? First, you'll go to our website, santafelibrary.org. If you type that into your browser, you'll see this. We have highlighted some of our new books here. And you can also sign into your account using the My Account link at the top right-hand corner. You'll need to know your library card number and last name in order to sign in. We'll do that a little bit later in this tutorial. There's also a search box here in the top right-hand corner where you can search for a title, author, or subject. Today we're going to search for a popular author you might have heard of, Stephen King. If you click search, it will bring you to the results page. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit here. So you'll notice there are some results, and the system automatically sorts by best match. You can change this and sort by newest or oldest or other ways here. There's also a way to narrow your results on the left-hand side by format, if I was looking for a DVD, for example, or if I wanted a book by or in another language, I could do it here. But for today, we're going to leave the results as is. So the first result for Stephen King is the book, The Institute. You'll notice we have some print copies available, one at Lafarge, one at Southside. And I know it's available because it appears in green here and it says on shelf. And the format is a book. If it's not available, it'll appear in red like here and it says checked out. So this title's also available on Overdrive, although it is checked out. We'll have to place a hold. So you can check out titles, digital titles from the catalog, but remember, in order to read the title, you'll have to make sure you've downloaded the Libby for Overdrive app on your electronic device. And if you're having trouble accessing your digital title, feel free to call us or email us, and we'll be happy to help you through the process. Okay, so we're going to scroll down a little bit more. And let's see, what book do I want to read? I found a book I would like to check out. Stephen King's legendary debut, Carrie. It looks like there's a copy in Spanish that's available here at the Southside location. So you can place a hold from this screen here by clicking this blue button. You can also read more about the book here by clicking the title. So I'll click this and then you can see it gives a little more information. There's a description about the book, some other books that are similar, and you can also click these for more information. But I'm going to go back to the results page because I know this is the book I want to check out. So here it is in Spanish on the shelf. So I'm going to click this blue place hold button to reserve my copy. So a window will appear that will ask me for my last name and library card number. When you enter this information, please remember to always have your library card number with an uppercase letter P and no spaces. And for today, my last name is going to be Librarian. You can also click these buttons here if you want the system to remember your password, or reveal your password, sorry, or remember you next time. But for now, we're just going to click continue. And my last name is not actually Librarian, by the way, but that would be awesome if it was. Okay, so now that I'm signed in, the system's going to ask me where I'd like to pick up my book. I'm going to select the main library and click Submit Hold Request. And you'll notice that it says at the top here in blue that I have 7 days to pick up the title from the library. So I'm going to click Submit Hold Request. Great. My hold was placed successfully. So when a copy becomes available, the library will either email me or call me to let me know that it's ready for pickup. And that's based on my preferences when I applied for my library card. Our new catalog will also offer some suggestions here for other titles I might be interested in. Okay, so I want to show you a new feature that I think is pretty neat. Suppose I was looking for a book that we don't currently have in the system. So at the bottom of your list of results, maybe it's a really obscure Stephen King title. There's a button that says Request through ILL. So if I click this, this will direct me to our interlibrary loan page and the form that you complete to request an interlibrary loan right here. So I like that feature in case there's something I really want to read that we don't have. We can see if another library system has it. Okay, excellent. So as promised, I'm going to show you how to look at your account information. So I'm going to close this window here and go back to my search results. And I'm going to scroll up to the top here. Okay, so here's my name, Librarian. And if I click here, you'll find your account information. There it is. So there's a drop-down menu if you click on your name with some options. You can view titles that are checked out to you, titles that are on hold, and some other information, such as my reading history, if I've opted for that, if I have any fines because I didn't return my items, etc. Also, under account settings, if you click that, you can find your library card number, your contact information, and some settings for our digital services. So I'm going to click Titles on Hold here. And you'll notice this is a little bit different. So under your account, you'll notice that items are sorted now by physical items and digital items. And if an item is ready for pickup, it'll appear here in green as ready to pick up. And it will also appear here, holds ready for pickup. Pending holds are holds that you've placed that aren't ready yet. So I should be able to see Carrie, there it is, as well as a few other titles I've placed on hold. And suppose I decided I don't want to read Carrie, I can click Cancel Hold here and remove it from my list of holds. I can also freeze my hold. Suppose I'm going on a vacation and I don't want to lose my place in line, but I don't want it to come in. I'm not ready to read it yet. I can freeze it. The important thing is to remember to always unfreeze your hold when you are ready for it. Otherwise, you're never going to get it, and that's sad. So you can also change your pickup location. If I wanted to pick it up at Southside, I could do that here. So I think that's it. So that's a brief overview of our new and improved Santa Fe Library Catalog. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about your account or placing holds for curbside pickup, you can still call us or email us. We're always happy to help. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.